Hey guys, we are back in Clinton along Denton Drive, where we aren't even able to make it down the road here in this neighborhood. Now, this is exactly what residents say that they were concerned about when we spoke with them just last week. One of those residents, Tawana
And
Harper, she told you that she was concerned but hopeful that things would be different this year. She says she just wants to make sure she's able to make it out of this neighborhood to take her husband to a dialysis appointment first thing Monday.
I'm just hoping and praying that we don't get a repeat of what we had last year with the non-snow removal and removal because it was really, really bad. It was a sheet of ice. I couldn't get out of my driveway. I couldn't get down the steps. The street was absolutely covered with glass, and you even came and used a hammer and couldn't break the ice. That's how hard it was.
Now, the Department of Public Works and Transportation in Prince George's County says give them extra time. They have to wait for majority of this storm to move through before they can continue to clean up some of these roads and get to some of the neighborhoods. But Harper says she's concerned because she knows a lot of her neighbors are elderly and also need to be able to get in and out.